This is Gas Laws Level 2. We're going to start with converting pressure units using dimensional analysis. So here are the conversion factors. 1 atmosphere is equal to 760 millimeters of mercury, which equals 760 torr, which equals 101.3 kilopascals. So if I wanted to convert 72.6 kilopascals to atmospheres, I will take my given, which is 72.6 kilopascals, put it over 1, times draw a line, bring down the kilopascals, and then I'm just going to put what I want on top, and I will come up here to find the numbers, the equality. It's 1 atmosphere is equal to 101.3 kilopascals, 101.3 kilopascals, and done. Then I'm just going to type it in my calculator. And the quick way to do this is you can just type in the first number, 72.6, and then it's always times the top divided by the bottom. So it would be times 1 divided by 101.3. You don't actually have to hit times 1 because it doesn't make anything any different, but you can if you want to. So we have 1, 2, 3 significant figures to start. So I want to have 1, 2, 3. So it's going to be 0.717. And the unit is atmospheres, so 0.717 atmospheres. So 72.6 kilopascals is equal to 0.717 atmospheres. Let's do the next one. Next is 1.95 atmospheres. Change that to millimeters of mercury. So I'll take my given, 1.95 atmospheres, put it over 1, times draw a line, bring down atmospheres, and put what I want on top, which is millimeters of mercury. And then equals. Now I'm going to look over here. Atmospheres is 1, millimeters of mercury is 760, and now I can type this into my calculator. It's going to be 1.95 times 760 divided by 1, which again I don't actually have to type in the divided by 1, so I'll just say 1.95 times 760. You can do the fractions if you want to. I'm just trying to teach you a different way. So 1.95 atmospheres is going to be 1482. Technically 1480, but if you want to put the 2, that's okay. So 148, I'm going to put it as O, millimeters of mercury, because 3 sig figs is the reason I'm doing that. But it's okay if you keep it 1482 millimeters of mercury. Let's try one more example. Convert 687 torr to kilopascals. Take your given, 687 torr, put it over 1, times draw a line. Now I want to bring torr to the bottom so it will cancel. Put what I want on top, which is kilopascals. Now we'll come up here, and torr is 760, and kilopascals is 101.3. 101.3, and then equals. Now to type it in my calculator, it'll be 687 times 101.3 divided by 760. You can also do the fraction if you want to, but I'm going to just type it in separately. 687 times 101.3 divided by 760 equals, and so 3 sig figs means I want 3 sig figs, so it'll be 91.6 kilopascals is the final answer. And that is how you do pressure conversions.